I'm Dr. Jane Richardson. I'm the Curriculum Manager for Higher Education here at University Centre Reaseheath. We're delighted to be hosting the Anatomage virtual dissection table here at Reaseheath for the next 3 weeks.
So here we have the table. We have loaded the data set of a dog. The data in the table are all real. This means that as soon as this dog died, it had been enveloped in a gel and frozen, rebuilt the 3D anatomy of the dog. Then you can just explore it through different cuts, or you might want to select what you're looking at. So from a system, region, and single structure level, you can, for example, take away everything and just show the skeletal system.
Having the table here at Reaseheath will give our animal science and sports staff and students a valuable chance to engage with and learn from the new technologies that are at the forefront of their disciplines.
You can have the 2D dataset visualized on one screen while you look at the 3D datasets on the other screen.
While the table's here, we'll be making the most of its capabilities to add an additional dimension to our teaching of anatomy and physiology to our degree students, and we'll also be welcoming some of our industry partners in to experience this exciting technology.
Is a table so a group of people can work around it and work together for the same goal, to learn anatomy, and that is really, really important, we believe. That's why it's a table.